Welcome back, everybody. We got a nice little surprise for everybody here today. The boys here are going to be working on this FL5. As you can see, they've already started working. Your boy got here a little late. Please excuse us for the tardy. But the boys already got started on this full APR kit for the FL5. This beautiful swan neck wing, which I'm going to insert now. And then they went ahead and sweetened the deal with some spoon springs and rigid collars. Also, they went ahead and installed a, what is it? A strut bar, right? A Jay's Racing strut bar. Rear. All right, boys have already mocked up this APR front lip for this FL5, and as you can see, fitment is on point here. APR did a killer job. Shout out to the homeboy Mark for lending his car so that way you guys can enjoy some nice quality products from APR. And nope, they're not paying us, but if you are listening, hit us up, boys. We're ready to do some work as well. And again, we've taken the liberty to go the extra mile. Lewis has
rib netted everything so it doesn't easy install and removal.
Yeah, as I highlighted in the B-roll, I went ahead and showed you guys everywhere that he's put in rib nuts. Again, the washers are covering that, but again, this thing isn't going anywhere. Again, guys have already been going lightning speed here at the shop, and they already went ahead and removed the stock suspension and installed Spoon Sport springs. It's going to provide a nice ride height for this car, and obviously we can't see it, but we know it's there. They've already gone ahead and also installed a set of rigid collars. And if you guys haven't watched our install video on that I suggest you guys go and watch. But again, just looking at this fitment here, I mean, damn, this guy did get his car PPF, but look at the fitment here on this APR lip. And again, we're gonna do the APR sides, and Lewis is right now working on the rear spats for the kit. And you know, one of the things that, again, I'm not gonna bother him, he's busy, but one of the things we've adopted here when we're doing our spoiler installs, and again, it's if the customer decides they want to do that extra mile, which is what normally we do to my car, is we do rib nuts. And again, as you can see here, these things 1000% better than if you just do a self tapper, because eventually it'll, you know, unself tap itself if that's the case. But you know, fitment's great, and when you use this, I just think the overall quality, securement of the whole operation's a hell of a lot better than if you just go ahead and use self tappers. Yeah, boys, as you can see here, this car has gotten the works, which again, not gonna toot his horn, but we've done all the installs here for this car, and this guy's spared no expense. He's going ahead and running the RV6 rear sway bar, which is something that is still to be determined if we're gonna run it in our car. But when we do, because I'm sure we will, we'll probably have the same one. Again, riding with the Spoon Sport springs. Another thing that we have, and he's in the midst of getting, hopefully, is the rear camber arms and the lower tow arm, which is these items that we've replaced on ours. If you haven't seen that video, again, go ahead in our archive of videos and watch it and make your way back to this one.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, pretty much all set with installing the APR kit to this FL5. Again, fitment and install was phenomenal on this car. We also added, you can tell up here, their swan neck wing which I must say is pretty damn cool. I really like it. It's really wide, a lot of adjustability, and like I keep saying it, this wing was actually used, not this one, but it's actually been used on the HRC and TCR race cars that they race, which is another proven item that it's not only good looking, but it's also functional. And again, like I was gonna say, remember, any one of these parts, we can source them for you. You can pick up this whole entire kit on the GroupNGarage website. Hit us up for those deals. Lewis will plug you up.
I don't know about plug you up, but
No, he'll plug you up, all right. And again, like I was saying, if you're interested in picking up a full APR kit and wing, hit us up at GroupNGarage. We can go ahead and source this for you. And just like that, boys, we're all set here. As you can tell, this FL5 has had a pretty much full-blown transformation than when it came in. These Advan GTs, super cool. Great setup with the R71 RSs by Bridgestone. Can't wait to try those out. And again, this wing, the car just looks great. Again, like I tell you guys, if you guys are looking for any of this, just hit us up on the website and we'll get you guys plugged up right away. But phenomenal look to the car. All right, guys, that does it for today. We're all set up. The FL5's gone home. Lewis has gone home. Morris is about to go home, and I'm about to go home. We appreciate you guys for watching the video, sticking in this late. I know the video was a little bit different than what we normally do. I just wanted to kind of chronicle what the guys do on a full-blown installment. This was, again, a full-blown APR kit for the FL5 with the Swan neck wing, and we did full suspension, which was the Spoon Sports progressive springs and the rigid collars front and back, and a rear strut bar. So we did that all in one shift. I know I didn't really show a lot of it because the boys were working hard, but I just wanted to show you guys what we do up in the shop. If you guys are in the SoCal area or want to travel, hit us up, book your appointments, alignments on deck for those late night track preps, or just if you want to save your tires, guys, I really recommend alignments. Hit us up for any of your install needs and repairs. We'll catch you guys out on the next one.